Submagic is an amazing AI tool to generate captions for videos. In today's video, we will see how to use another tool called Zeemo AI to generate captions for videos. You can click on the first link in the description and follow the steps with me. This is the Zeemo homepage. If you are using it for the first time, click on Sign Up, enter your email and password, and create an account. I already have an account, so I will click on Login. Click on Sign In with Google, and select the email ID with which I created an account. This is the Zeemo dashboard. You can see that we have two demo videos here. On the top, we can either upload our video or upload the link of our video. We will upload our video. Click here and select the video that you want to caption. You can select the language of your video here. There are many languages available. I will select English. You can also translate the caption into different languages. Click here on Advanced Settings, and you can choose how many letters will appear at once on your screen. Let's make it 20 and confirm. The AI tool will now generate the captions. You can see here that it will take about 2 to 3 minutes. I will skip to the part where our captions are ready.
A few moments later.
The captions are now ready, and you can see them on the left. Before looking at the other settings, I will play the video to show how awesome the captions are.
The first few years, I wasn't even making money off YouTube. But once I started making money, I was making $1 a day. And I saved up for a couple months. I bought a microphone, saved up for half a year. I got a computer, and I've just always reinvested it.
As you saw, the captions are all perfect and look amazing. On the left, you can select any word, and you will get some options like you can split the subtitle into 2 parts. You can split and merge a text to the next part or the previous part. We can change the color of the text and even add emojis and GIFs. On the left, click on Template and you can see we have multiple templates to choose from. You can select any one of them. We have dynamic styles, basic styles, and we can also create a custom template for our videos. Click on B-roll and you can add B-rolls to your video. Just click here, and you will be able to search for B-rolls according to your need. You can also manually upload clips here. We also have different text styles here. In the media section, you can upload media like videos or images to add to your video. Basically, we have many customization options that will help to improve our video and the captions. To download the video, click here on Export. You can also choose to download only the subtitle file, but we will download the video. You can change file name, select video quality, and you can see our video will have a watermark, and we will see how to remove it. For now, click on Export. This step will again take some time depending on the video and your internet speed.
A few moments later.
Our video is ready here for export. You can play it once to check. If you find any mistakes or want to change something in the video, you can click here on Edit and make changes. Click here on Download and your video will be downloaded. To remove the watermark, click on No Watermark Download or go to your profile and click Upgrade. You can see we have 3 different plans. If you select monthly, there are no discounts available, but if you select annually, you can get a 33% discount. You can compare all the benefits from here and choose a plan according to your needs. Click here and you will be taken to the payment page. You can enter the details here and complete your payment. If you want to know more about Submagic, then you can check this video right here. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such AI-related videos. Thanks for watching.